Investments in the security market are subject to market risk. Read all the documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory.
Step into our extensive guide to Mint applications profile section. This video will take you through all the portfolio features, helping you maximize your Mint experience with a finely tuned profile. Now, what is portfolio? A collection of financial assets such as stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, cash equivalents, and fund units held by investors. Here are some steps to guide you through the process. Navigate to Portfolio tab. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the app's home screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will find a navigation bar. Tap on the Portfolio tab, typically representing by an icon that resembles a briefcase or a folder. View your portfolio. In the portfolio section, you will see your current investment portfolio overview. This may include information such as total value of your portfolio, the percentage change in the value, and other relevant metrics. Review portfolio details. You may see a breakdown of your investment by asset class such as stock, mutual funds, or ETF. You can also access individual holding to see their current market value, average purchase price, and other relevant information. Customize sort by setting. The Mint app offers customization option for the portfolio section. You might be able to sort your holdings by name, absolute quantity, or absolute value of a particular position or holding. LTP or last traded price refer to the price at which the most recent trade of a particular security or financial instrument took place. Percentage gain refers to the percentage increase in the value of an investment over a specific period. Invested price refers to the price at which investor purchase a financial asset such as stocks, bond, mutual funds, or any other investment instruments, setting according to your preferences. Mint app by Zebu introduced a portfolio feature enabling users to effortlessly monitor and manage their investment holdings, including total value, performance, and specific details. With easy customization option, users can track investment performance and make informed decisions seamlessly. Need help? Our support team is here for you anytime. Happy investing!